How is the integral mode implemented on a digital controller? A. The digital controller cannot handle integral mode. B. The error is divided into discrete amounts. C. The error signal is summed over a discrete time interval and accumulated by the controller. D. All of the above. The correct answer is the error signal is summed over a discrete time interval and accumulated by the controller. Which of the following is not critical in PC/CAD software? A. Cross-hatching. B. Layering. C. Drawing editing. D. Damping. The correct answer is damping. Which of the following editors is incorporated into general CAD system? A. Point editor. B. Line editor. C. Macro and symbol editor. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A microprocessor. A is another name for a computer. B is a CPU in integrated circuit form. C executes a program of instructions. D. A and C. The correct answer is A and C. Which document sums up the general provisions of purchase terms and agreement warranties and maintenance? A. The contract. B. The project evaluation. C. The financial report. D. The purchasing report. The correct answer is the contract. Which of the plotters listed below eliminates media size limitations? A. Drum. B. Flatbed. C. Electrostatic. D. Pinch roller. The correct answer is drum. In order to combat foreign competition, US companies are A. Automating. B. Ignoring the situation. C. Seeking import tariffs. D. Decreasing the salaries. The correct answer is automating. Historically, central systems were used because A. Semiconductor memory was not available. B. Memory was very expensive. C. Memory consumed a large amount of power. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Most current PC/CAD systems are used for producing A. Solids modeling. B. 2D drawings. C. Circuit simulation. D. Finite element analysis. The correct answer is 2D drawings. A continuous process is A. Used only for simple tasks. B. One that never shuts down. C. Self-contained in that raw materials enter the process and an identifiable product exits the process. D. Used only with analog controllers. The correct answer is self-contained in that raw materials enter the process and an identifiable product exits the process. The rate at which scanning is repeated is called the A. Stroke rate. B. Refresh rate. C. Bandwidth. D. Resolution. The correct answer is refresh rate. One of the following is not considered a method of input control in a CAD system. A. Joystick. B. Programmable function box. C. Plotter. D. Touch terminal. The correct answer is plotter. Which part of the system performs the housekeeping chores? A. Operating system. B. Compiler. C. Interpreter. D. Translator. The correct answer is operating system. The greatest change as a result of CAD CAM is taking place in which industry? A. Medical. B. Aerospace. C. Electronics. D. Cartography. The correct answer is electronics. Who are called steel-collar workers? A. Office clerks. B. Factory workers. C. Steel factory workers. D. Robots. The correct answer is robots. For a type 1 system, the steady state A. Error for a step input is always 0. B. Error for a velocity input is always 0. C. Input for acceleration input is always non-zero. D. A and C. The correct answer is A and C. Several objectives are required to achieve a successful database management program. These are availability of data, quality of data, and A. compatibility of data, B. transmission of data, C. desirability of data, D. up-to-date data. The correct answer is up-to-date data. Which of the following is required for a plotter to perform specific commands? A. firmware, B. software, C. driver, D. hardware. The correct answer is driver. For a type 2 system, the steady state A. error for a step input is always 0. B. error for a velocity input is always 0. C. input for acceleration input is always non-zero. D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The refresh vector CRT uses which of the following techniques? A. the beam constantly travels across the screen to turn on off a series of pixels. B. makes changes on the image by increasing the anode voltage. C. uses an electron gun to continuously flood the surface of the tube. D. creates images on the screen by scanning straight line vectors between selected points. The correct answer is creates images on the screen by scanning straight line vectors between selected points. A set of well-defined procedures based on mathematical and geometric formulas for solving a problem in a finite number of steps is called A. a permutation, B. an algorithm, C. arithmetic logic, D. a geometric model. The correct answer is an algorithm. A flexible manufacturing system may be A. an automated assembly line, B. expensive to alter, C. very difficult to change when new products are introduced, D. all of the above. The correct answer is an automated assembly line. Which of the following elements can be used with a TI-510 FC? A. drum timer, B. metronome, C. cymbal timer, D. flashing light. The correct answer is drum timer. For a type 0 system, the steady state A. error for a step input is always 0. B. error for a velocity input is always 0. C. input for acceleration input is always non-zero. D. A and C. The correct answer is input for acceleration input is always non-zero. An assembly language instruction A. is written in ones and zeros. B. corresponds to one computer operation. C. does not require knowledge of the computer design. D. all of the above. The correct answer is corresponds to one computer operation. The lowest form of computer language is called A. Fortran, B. Basic, C. machine language, D. COBOL. The correct answer is machine language. CAE and CAM are linked through A. common database and communications system, B. NC tape programming and automated design, C. parts production and testing, D. assembly automation and tool production. The correct answer is a common database and communications system. The parallel register A. can store a multiple-bit binary number, B. uses RS flip-flops, C. all of the above, D. is erased after a word is read from it. The correct answer is can store a multiple-bit binary number. Microcomputer-based control systems A. will just keep their present capability. B. will have more standard industrial application software available in the future. C. will tend to increase in cost. D. all of the above. The correct answer is will have more standard industrial application software available in the future. A thermistor A. is a pressure sensing device. B. has a voltage output. C. measures temperature. D. All of the above. The correct answer is measures temperature. The steady state error is A. Independent of the type of input. B. A function of the transient response. C. 0 for all inputs to type 1 systems. D. Decreased by increasing gain. The correct answer is decreased by increasing gain. Many things can be done to minimize downtime loss. Identify 2 of them. A. Establish a user forum program. B. Stock critical spare parts. C. Provide an extra workstation. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. A typical NC system has which of the following components? A. Controller. B. Tape input. C. Machine tool. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which part of the system allows the user to interact with the compiler? A. Memory. A. Translator. B. Communications processor. C. Interpreter. D. None of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. The robot. A. Is very primitive at the present. B. Represents the most powerful new industrial automation tool currently on the horizon. C. Will be more useful when robot vision is improved significantly. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Direct numerical control means A. Using several computers to control one large machine. B. Using one computer to control several machines. C. Complete elimination of a need for a human operator. D. Eliminating computers from the manufacturing process. The correct answer is using one computer to control several machines. A proportional plus integral controller can A. Has no transient response. B. Can compensate for lag. C. Can increase the system type. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. A pick-and-place manipulator is A. The most flexible of all robots. B. An intelligent robot. C. Capable of point-to-point operation. D. Primarily used for large parts handling. The correct answer is capable of point-to-point operation. Fortran is A. Machine-dependent. B. A medium-level language. C. A mathematically oriented language. D. All of the above. The correct answer is a mathematically oriented language. Which of the methods below can be used to tell a robot what it is to do? A. Walkthrough. B. Set mechanical stops. C. Software program. D. A and C. The correct answer is A and C. The processing, which normally consists of a small computer with one or more peripheral devices connected via a high-speed line to the large control computer, is known as A. Online processing. B. Remote terminal processing. C. Batch mode processing. D. Intelligent terminal processing. The correct answer is intelligent terminal processing. VLSI, very large-scale integrated circuits logic. A. Will not be available in this decade. B. Means more costly electronic products in the future. C. Will result in lower cost, higher capability electronic equipment. D. All of the above. The correct answer is will result in lower cost, higher capability electronic equipment. The term used to represent the recycling of unused memory is A. Garbage collection. B. Diagnostic routine. C. Memory dump. D. Direct memory access. The correct answer is garbage collection. In the instruction 500 Suba 50, the command field is A. 500. B. 50,000. C. Suba. D. B and C. The correct answer is Suba. Use of modern control technology in automation systems. A. Reduces costs. B. Improves reliability. C. Increases yield. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. One of the major benefits of using CAD in tool design is that a product design represents approximately one-half the engineering costs. B. Tool motions can be checked to see if there is interference between the tool and the object. C. There is better coordination in the materials handling area. D. It simplifies the trial and error method. The correct answer is tool motions can be checked to see if there is interference between the tool and the object. The speed at which the monitor accepts data is called A. Bandwidth. B. Response time. C. Interlacing. D. Scanning. The correct answer is bandwidth. The chosen language for the Japanese fifth-generation computer project is A. Lisp. B. Fortran. C. COBOL. D. Prolog. The correct answer is Prolog. When a computer fetches an instruction, the binary code representing the instruction appears on the A. I/O address bus. B. Memory data bus. C. Input data bus. D. Output data bus. The correct answer is memory data bus. A stepping motor. A. has a speed proportional to voltage input. B. has a commutator. C. is a good choice where continuous rotation is needed. D. can index positional movement. The correct answer is can index positional movement.